My people, na today I go talk dis thing wey dey my mind since last week. I no know who send me message, I swear. Na so I waka enter party wey no concern me, and wetin my eyes see for dat party, even Nollywood no fit act am. Everything start on Friday night. I dey house jeje dey chop my eba and egusi soup like king dey watch film. Na so my guy Kunle call me. Kunle say, "Guy, how far? One correct party dey happen for gbagada dis night. Big babes go full ground. Food and drink go dey like say dem dey do burial for billionaire. You no fit miss am." Me wey hunger and babe problem dey worry me, no reason am twice. I jump like NEPA lights come back. Omo, I dey come sharp sharp. Abeg, wear your fine cloths. Today na today. Na so I baff, wear one of my only designer shirts wey I buy for Yaba Bend Down Select. As I spray small perfume wey dey smell like engine oil mixed with air freshener, I comot house with confidence like say na me go host the party. We reach the party around 10 p.m. As we enter, everywhere lights dey blink like say we enter heaven preview. Music dey loud, DJ dey shout. Ladies and gentlemen, dis party na for people wey get swag. If you no fine, go house. I look Kunle. "Baba, you sure say dem go allow us chop for dis party?" Kunle say, "Calm down, be calming down. Just dey behave like say you know the celebrants." I say, "Okay." Na so I balance, but na there the yawa starts. First red flag na invitation only party. As we dey waka enter like kings, na one bouncer like small transformer block us. Bouncer say, "Invitation?" Kunle say, "My guy, we be friends to the celebrants." Bouncer answer, "Who be celebrants?" Kunle say, Chuka. Yes, Chuka." Bouncer say, "Chuka no do birthday. Na Anita dey do bridal shower." Na there breeze blow, fowl nyash open. Bridal shower ke? Wetin carry two full grown men enter bridal shower like catapult wey miss direction? Before we fit turn back, one babe wey resemble Nicki Minaj cousin say, na dem, the party crashers. Security!" The second wahala be say dem catch us like thief. Dem drag us like bag of rice go one side. People dey video us like say na Big Brother eviction night. I try talk say na mistake, dem no gree. One babe even pour zobo on top my shirt, talk say I dey look her pants since. Kunle say, chai, wetin carry us come here sef? Wetin carry us come here sef? I say, na you carry me come o. I for dey my house dey watch Jennifer Diary peacefully. As dem wan push us out, the real drama start. One babe recognize me, na so she shout, ha, na dat guy wey owe me 2k since 2020. He say he go pay on Tuesday. Till today I freeze. I say, madam, you still dey remember dat thing? Abeg, no disgrace me na. This is 2025. She say, which kind 2025? You go pay my money or I go post your face for TikTok. The next thing, DJ stop music. Ladies and gentlemen, small drama dey outside o. Na there crowd gather. One small boy even bring popcorn. Kunle don dey beg. I dey swear say I go change. Before we waka comot, one last gbege happen. As I bend to pick my shoe wey comot leg while dem dey drag me, gbam! My trouser tear for back like window curtain. My boxers show, and guess wetin dey there? Cartoon boxers wey get Tom and Jerry. Hey, everybody burst laugh. DJ use mic talk, Tom and Jerry wan crash bridal shower. Even the bride talk say, abeg, make dem perform small comedy before dem go. This one na free entertainment. Na so dem push us outside. We trek go house like refugees. Kunle just dey shout, wetin carry us go dat party o? Wetin carry us go dat party o? I say, next time if you call me go party again, I go use super glue take gum for house. Since dat day, if I hear party, I dey run like say na police siren. Bridal shower no be for everybody. Moral of the story be say, no let hunger and woman matter carry you go where dem no send you. And if you must crash party, I beg, make sure your trouser strong. Thank you for watching this story. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.